How to fix Gmail app not working on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Gmail app not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings, and then you have to scroll down. You have to go to install apps. You have to go to install app or app manager. So you have to go to install apps, and just you have to search for Gmail. Just search for Gmail. Here is it. Click on Gmail, and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop button and then press OK. Now again you have to click on the storage. You can see storage. Click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here, and then go back. And now you can see here app permission. Click on app permission, and you have to allow this permission, and you have to allow this three permission here. So go back and restart your phone and reopen the Gmail application, um, and your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix your Gmail app not working problem. Thanks for watching.